anniversary for Just Nailed It, and we are going to jump right into spring. I know we are, what, 2 days early, but that's alright. And here in Michigan, it's spring. The robins are out, the birds are singing, the children are out playing. It's spring. So, we're going to dive right in. I'm going to attempt to freehand a daisy here, or a type of a flower. Some type of flower. And we're gonna hope this turns out alright. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell and click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. I wouldn't want you to miss something. I currently have a 1,150 subscriber giveaway going on, a milestone I'm trying to reach. So if you haven't already, please enter. If you'd like, we have a few sponsors, US and UK, international. We'll leave it sit there for just a brief second while I wipe off my brush. Whoopsie. We're gonna draw us a little stem here. Just a dainty little flower. Okay, for right now, we're going to pop this in the lamp. Give that a little bit of a cure. Leave it sit there. Now, these other nails I'm really kind of undecided about. Oh, I should go on about my colors. I'm sorry, I just jumped all over. This is Green Apple Paradise by Modelones. It is a mini. The rest of these are beetles. The lavender is 702, 703. The blue that we just put in the lamp is 704. The pink is 701. I have these beautiful tiny little butterflies out. I want to use them, but I'm undecided, so I don't know if we're going to leave those sit here. On one of the nails, we're going to put one of these beautiful butterfly stickers. I think these are just gorgeous. So we are going to be using one of these, whoopsie, for certain. So I'm going to put it on the lavender nail. I was going to put it on the middle nail, but I want to break it up. So I think I'm going to take, since it's a lavender, I don't want to go with one that's too close to it in color. I think I'm going to go for this bottom one right here. Oh, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. It is really pretty. I like that a lot. We're gonna get our flower. We are gonna get a top coat. What top coat? Let me put some glue gel on first because I want to do something. I want to put a couple. Let me do this first because my brain's just bouncing all over the place. Lots of ideas going on. So I'm gonna pop that back in the lamp. Well, that startled the bejeebies out of me. Sorry, let me pause that. I do want to put some of the butterfly on there. I think I want this color over here. I think I do. I'm going to put me a little tiny rhinestone. In the middle of the flower. Wait, let me do these first. I told you my brain's just jumping all over the place. I got butterflies everywhere. I want one of these little buggers. Shoot. There we go. Whoops. Say whoopsie. And then we're gonna top coat. Let me put those down there good. Got my Eye Gel Beauty top coat. Whoopsie. Top coat these really well. I'm gonna get me and I'm gonna pop this back in the lamp. I hope I was not out of frame there before. If I was, I'm terribly, terribly sorry. Now these other nails, what to do? I should put me... Oh, we got some loose butterflies out here. Oh, come on, stick. I feel it. I do feel it. Stick. Aww. Oh, we got one on there. We're gonna top coat this one as well. Put this in the lamp. Now we got 3 nails left here. What should we do? I'm gonna pause while I ponder upon this. Alright, we are back. I have pondered for a moment or two. We've got butterflies kind of everywhere. Let's see if I can pick me a butterfly up. I lost that one somewhere. No idea where. So we're gonna get us another butterfly or two. Okay, we are going in for a hello. Hello, Erica. Hello, baby. Oh, I'm touching those nails for. Here we go. This nail I am putting strictly bling down the center. So let me take this off and top coat here. If anybody knows or could recommend a good rhinestone glue, I would appreciate that. And I've seen one on Amazon, but I don't, you know, I would like something recommended where I know, somebody I know has used it, it works well. You know what I mean? I know you do. Get some of these line here. Oops. First, she started off really good. And they started to slide. Let's take a gander here. So I'm gonna hurry and pop this in the light because I know they're gonna start to slide. And then we are gonna top coat the rest of our nails. Ideal Beauty always has sales going on, like 60% off. You can get some acrylic, you can get a lot of beautiful things off of their website. So check out idealbeauty.com. I do not have a code. I don't know anybody who does. I think Nailed by Nikki does, but I'm not certain. You could check out her videos or ask her, whichever. She might have a code for you. You never know. So let me get this out of the lamp, shut the lamp off so we can start it over. So I'm going to put these in. I'm going to pause and we'll be right back. We are back and fresh out of the lamp. Our first Spring Mani of 2021 is complete. Finito. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I think it turned out really cute. I love, love, love this butterfly. Love how that turned out. My flower didn't turn out too bad either. And all the little butterflies. I think it added quite the accent. Well, let me comment down below with your thoughts. Let me know what you think. What's your first spring mani going to be? I'm so ready for spring. I'm so over winter. So over. Check out my giveaway, my 1150 giveaway. Check out Boo Boo's Glitter Glories giveaway she's got going on. She's also one of my sponsors. Check out Nail Crazy Mama's giveaway. All three of us have a giveaway going on right now, so check them all out. I will do my best to link Boo Boo and Nail Crazy Mama in the description box with their links. Yeah. So subscribe to all of us if you haven't already. Please go follow the rules of the giveaways. They're not that hard. I know I make mine sound complicated, but they're really not. Well, that's all for today. See you next time on Saturday for She Modern Saturday. Stay tuned. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.